This is a third grade PSSA math practice problem, and you're not allowed to use a calculator for this one. So let's take a look at it. The table below shows the number of movie tickets that were sold each of 4 days. So here's your table. It's called movie tickets. On the left side, you have your days: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And on the right side, you have your number of tickets sold. So on Thursday, you sold 539 tickets. On Friday, 563 tickets. On Saturday, 675 tickets. And on Sunday, 641 tickets. The number of tickets sold each day is rounded to the nearest 100. On which 2 days do the numbers of tickets sold round to 600? So let's round all 4 of these numbers and see which ones round to 600. Let's go over here and start with Thursday, which is 539. Now what you do when you round a number to the nearest 100 is you start from the right and think of place value. This is the ones place value, this is the tens place value, and this 5, which I'm going to circle, is the hundreds place value. You circle that number and look to the number to the right of it. Now, if this number is 5 or higher, 5 here will round up to 6. If it's 4 or below, you keep 5 at 4. I use the phrase 5 or above, give it a shove, 4 or below, let it go. So this number is 3, which is 4 or below, so we're going to let 5 stay at 5. Then you write all the numbers to the right of it as zeros. So Thursday rounds to 500 like that. Let's try the same thing with Friday in blue. Friday is 563. So you start from the right, ones, tens, hundreds, and you circle the 5 that's in the hundreds place value. You look to the number to the right of it. 5 or above, give it a shove. Yes, this is 5 or above. So round that 5 up to a 6 and write all the numbers after it as zeros. So Friday actually gets rounded to 600, which is one of the ones we want. Now let's do the same thing for Saturday. I'll label Saturday green. That number was 675. So you go from the right, ones, tens, hundreds. So let's circle the 6. Look to the number to the right of it. 5 or above, give it a shove. Yep. Move that 6 up to a 7 and then write out 2 zeros after it. So Saturday becomes 700. Last but not least, we have Sunday, which is the number 641. Look at your place values from the right, ones, tens, hundreds. So circle the 6. Look to the number to the right of 6, which is 4. 5 or above, give it a shove. Nope. 4 or below, let it go. Yup. So write out your 6, and the numbers become zeros. So Sunday is 600. On which 2 days do the numbers of tickets sold round to 600? Looks like Friday and looks like Sunday. A is Thursday and Friday, so not you. B is Thursday and Saturday, so not you. C is Friday and Sunday, so you. And D is Saturday and Sunday, so not you. So make sure you're picking the one with both correct days, even though they might have, like, I know A said Friday, it has to have Friday and Sunday, so the answer for this one is C.